students. I am Dr. Neeta Sharma from Shri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya, Junwani, affiliated to Hemchand Yadav University, Durg. My topic: engaging with subject-related reference books. Mid first semester, Unit 4, Paper 4.
To start with, what are reference sources? Reference sources are authoritative works that help you locate information about people, facts, and ideas. These sources can help you find the date of an important event, major achievements of an individual or organization, or a definition of a term or concept. These books are often used to find specific facts rather than written to be read cover to cover, so they are often held in a special part of the library to be used for a short period of time rather than checked out to a user over a period of days. Reference sources can be a great place to start your research because they provide quick, authoritative introductions to a topic. They offer summarized factual information in a clear and organized way. Common references sources that provide this type of information are encyclopedias and dictionaries. What are reference books? Any printed composition of some length is called a book. It covers all kinds of reading materials that can be any form, which serves the purpose of readers, whether for journal or recreational reading, or for study and research, or for more consultation as source of information. On the other hand, a reference book is usually consulted briefly to determine specific information. So, characteristics of reference books. First, they are intended primarily for occasional consultation. They are consulted for definite items of information. The information included in them is collected from a vast number of sources. It is a miscellany of information and facts. The arrangement of information is such that it can be conveniently and quickly recalled. It follows some methods of arrangement, example alphabetical, chronological, or other methods. They include only the bird eye view of the topics and rarely deal them in depth. They usually concentrate on facts. They are normally not issued on loan and kept for use in the library only. So, why it is important? Referencing allows you to acknowledge the contribution of other writers and researchers in your work. Any university assignments that draw on the ideas, words, or research of other writers must contain citations. Referencing is also a way to give credit to the writers from whom you have borrowed words and ideas. By citing the work of a particular scholar, you acknowledge and respect the intellectual property rights of that researcher. As a student or academic, you can draw on any of the millions of ideas, insights, and arguments published by other writers, many of whom have spent years researching and writing. All you need to do is acknowledge their contribution to your assignment. Referencing is a way to provide evidence to support the assertions and claims in your own assignments. By citing experts in your field, you are showing your marker that you are aware of the field in which you are operating. Your citations map the space of your discipline and allow you to navigate your way through your chosen field of study in the same way that sailors steer by the stars. So, speed up your reading. What is skimming? Skimming is one of the tools you can use to read more in less time. Skimming refers to looking only for the journal or main ideas and work best within non-fiction material. Your horn is on what is important to your purpose. Skimming takes place while reading and allows you to look for details in addition to the main ideas. However, to skim effectively, there has to be a structure, but you don't read everything. What is scanning? Scanning is another useful tool for speeding up your reading. Unlike skimming, when scanning, you look only for a specific fact or piece of information without reading everything. You scan when you look for your favorite show listed in the cable guide, for your friend's phone number in a telephone book, and for the sports scores in the newspaper. For scanning to be successful, you need to understand how your material is structured as well as comprehend what you read so you can locate the specific information you need. Scanning also allows you to find details and other information in a hurry. So these are the references where I have selected the material. So hope you have understood the importance of reference sources. Thank you.